Hello everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage. In episode 2 of this series, I'm going to talk about how we can learn about the structure of presentations from Hollywood movies. Most of you will agree that after watching a movie for a few minutes, our attention starts to drift a little bit. We might go and find our phones or pop a can of soda. But Hollywood is smarter than that. They know the human attention span is limited. There's no way you can make someone watch something for hours without being distracted. That's why they came up with the 3-act structure. The 3-act structure formula has been entrenched in Hollywood for decades. Screenwriters tell us it's nearly impossible to get a movie sold if it doesn't follow this structure. Movie franchises like Star Wars follow the template perfectly. The 3-act structure in Hollywood is where the movie is divided into 3 parts, with the stakes raised little by little in each act, making you more and more interested in knowing what happens next. That's how they keep you involved for 2 hours. Isn't that genius? So what does this mean for our presentations? As you may have guessed, it means dividing the main body of our presentation into 3 parts. A typical 3-part structure for the main body is the problem, the solution, and the benefit. This structure works well for scientific and technical presentations. It also works well for selling a product or service, where you present the problem the client has, the solution you offer, which is your product or service, and the benefits of why they should choose you over others. Here, I want to take a moment and talk about Venngage. It provides pre-designed templates for any of your design needs. These templates are designed by professionals and are very practical. You can edit these templates using the free online editor, and download them in any format you like. Some other ideas for the 3-part structure include a progressive workflow. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3. So you can demonstrate how something is done. If you're giving a weekly update, you could pick topics. Topic 1, Topic 2, Topic 3. It works best if you're able to position the topics with increased interest for your audience. In case you're wondering, why 3? Why 3 parts? Why not 2 or 4? Well, 3 is just the magic number that seems to work for us humans. But by all means, you're most welcome to divide the main body into 2 or 4 reasonably bite-sized parts as you desire. Now, we often forget that movies are written and filmed scene by scene, and yet as one scene disappears and the next scene begins, it's never an abrupt transition. It's always seamless. It's these seamless transitions that hold the different scenes of a movie into one coherent story. Now, what does this mean for our presentations? Think of each slide as a scene in your overarching story. What's going to hold the story together is the way we transition between our slides and the sections of our presentation. We appear more in control when we can anticipate what slide appears next and come up with a transition sentence that connects the current slide with the next one. It's these seamless transitions between our slides that create a much more pleasant experience for our audience. And with that, it's a wrap. Try using Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and I'll see you in the next one.